So I know a lot of you guys are probably like beta 6 already, but yes, thanks to Apple's history and release cycle trends, we can now already expect iOS 26 beta 6 to finally be on a weekly release cycle, and we are anticipating this to come in the next 48 hours or so. So today is Sunday, August 10th. Monday the 11th is kind of a stretch. I think we're going to go back to our Tuesday releases. So I'm assuming that on August 12th, we will receive beta 6, which is not too far away at this point. And that is awesome to see. And the reason I say this is, as you can see here, historically on iOS releases, we have about a 7-day window between all of these releases from 5 to 6. And with that, it lines up perfectly with beta 6 release. And then even moving forward, I think we get beta 7 on the 19th, and then possibly a few weeks break before we have the Apple event on September 9th. That's rumored. And then we'll get the RC at that point, full release on the 15th of September, with the new iPhones coming on the last of that week on the 19th. So we could be in store for a very fun few weeks with iOS. And again, beta 5 was obviously the best of the betas at the time, and it is improving battery life consistently and performance. I have still seen some slight glitches and kind of longer holdups than you would anticipate. Not so much drop frame rates, but notifications coming in from the top have caused issues to where it's kind of like blipping for a second and not smoothly transitioning into the notification as a whole. So kind of weird, but I'm hoping that'll get fixed. I know a lot of people want to know about battery life in this beta. So we've had no issues at all, really. It's definitely held up better than the rest. I've heard some people have not had great battery life in beta 5. That hasn't been the case with us. And keep in mind, we do only have 95% battery capacity left after 347 charges. Beyond that, also, we have found at least that with those new power modes, adaptive power mode is helping, but I've never seen it actually trigger low power mode. It does say it may only turn on under 20%. But keep that in mind. I'm not sure if that's a bug or a feature by design, especially with the verbiage here. But aside from that, battery has been getting us through a good solid, you know, 8-ish hours. It's definitely not getting you through your whole day yet. Keep that in mind. But yeah. And for some reason, we're not even getting our, there it is, the whole chart came in. So yeah, you can see 8 hours and 43 minutes of screen active time. Again, it's skewed. It's not exactly that, especially when you charge throughout the day. But yeah, nothing is absolutely just draining and killing the battery, which is a good sign. And like I said, performance has been pretty good. If you actually jump around, it's definitely the smoothest version yet. You want to just go to an article, you can see it's actually working as anticipated. All of those new little features and changes from beta 5 are obviously here and present and working, and I'm sure we will see in beta 6 a few more tweaks. Now, keep in mind though, I'm not anticipating any new features coming in. There might be some other new UI tweaks, but this is all about stability and battery improvements at this point. We'll obviously go ahead and get another public beta this week as well, and everything else should just maintain as it has from the last couple of months on iOS 26 betas. And before we go, don't forget, if you love these wallpapers, I know a lot of you guys always comment down below that you want them. We have that new Apple Rewind series coming on Sundays that will give you those download links in addition to the weekly recap from Apple. But that's it for this one. Let me know what you think. How has Beta 5 been treating you? Are you excited for Beta 6? Is there anything you want to see aside from possibly a liquid glass slider that have had some really cool concept renderings that people have come up with? That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.